Welcome back to my channel. And what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to explain to you what's going on with the title of my GTO. Alright, so basically when I bought the car from a couple who's it was a lady, her husband had died, and he bought the car to fix the car up. They never retitled the car, so when they bought the car, they bought it from another guy who had a used auto. He sell used cars, and he bought it from them. And I guess his goal was to fix the car up, and once he get the car fixed up, he was going to drive it. But unfortunately, the guy passed away before he could fix the car up, and they never got the title switched over out of the original owner's name. So I could have went back to the lady and tried to get her to switch the title over, but she was kind of real distraught because of her husband dying, and that was his project that he loved, so she really didn't want to take anything to do with it. So instead of reaching back out to her, I just wanted to save her as a last resort. So instead of reaching back out to her, I reached out to the guy who he originally bought the car from. And basically I reached out to him, and at the time he barely remembered, because this has been since 2008, so it's 13 years ago. And I reached out to him, he barely remembered. He told me to bring him the title up there and we could talk about it. So I took the title up there, and he had to take it to the DMV to request a duplicate title. And basically he's going to request a duplicate title. It's like he's going to resell the car to me, and we're going to get the title work done that way. So that's what I'm doing now. I did all of that before, and now I'm on my way to pick up the title from him. He got it switched up. He got the duplicate title, and we just got to do a bill of sales, which I have right here. And we're going to do a bill of sales, and it's like he's going to resell it back to me, and then I'm going to take it to the DMV and get it retitled in my name. So that's what's going on now. Sorry, but there's a car that just came around a curve on the wrong side of the road, so I had to slam on brakes. But yeah, so that's what I'm on my way to do now. I'm going to get the title and get everything switched over. I'm just getting it from him now, and then I have to go to the DMV and get everything switched over. After we finished up the paperwork, Archie decided to show me some of his projects. Starting out with this mid-90s S10. If you look, Archie has put an LS1 out of a Camaro SS into this S10. And look how neat everything looks. It looks like GM did this from the factory. This truck has sat for many years and he doesn't drive it, but this is the type of things that I like. Also, if you look at this is a 1955 Chevrolet that Archie has put another LS1 in, and this one has the whole drivetrain, transmission, rear end, and everything. It has disc brakes all the way around it, and he has all the parts for it, sanded down and everything, sandblasted. And this particular car has sat here for 3 years. He just said he lost interest in it. I decided to go ahead and head back to my side of town. All right, I'm just now leaving. I got the title, sales tax check and everything, and I'll pick up on this video when I get back to the house. Okay, pulling back up to the house. Trip is over, and I'll go ahead and close this video out. Okay, just got back from getting the title straightened out in a GTO, and you saw in the video, Archie has a lot of cool projects that's going on. He has a lot more than you saw in the video. I just didn't have time to record every single thing, but he actually has a lot of things going on. He has a paint booth, shop, and everything. So aside from that, I got everything straightened out with the GTO. I'm gonna just take the title to the DMV, get it registered, and then I can start driving that more often. That's all. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Click like, subscribe, share this video, and look forward to my other projects.